Does lightweight concrete crack? Well, actually, yeah, that's probably the biggest problem with lightweight concrete. Lightweight concrete, or any concrete where you're giving up weight, you're also giving up strength. Concrete is heavy, it is what it is, but that's part of what makes it so strong. So when you look to make it lightweight, you're kind of taking away the number one thing that it has going for it. Heavy, durable, strong. Lightweight concrete can be durable, can be strong, but we're talking about way less strength than what a full weight, full strength concrete or mortar mix would be. So I've got a block of lightweight concrete right here. This is 4 parts perlite to 1 part Portland cement mixed together with some water and then set into a brick mold. So, it's pretty strong. I could probably even stand on it and it wouldn't break. I don't think I'd try to span anything and then load it up because it's really not all that strong, but it's pretty strong. Still, cracking is going to be an issue. Concrete of any kind is weak for tensile strength, and that's why we add steel to concrete. So right away, adding something to your lightweight concrete to increase the tensile strength would be a really good idea. Steel could be something that you could use in lightweight concrete. It really depends on your application, but more commonly you can add fibers to your mix. Fibers are an admixture, and fiberglass specifically is what I'm referring to. It's something that you can add to your concrete mix, or any concrete mix, in this case a lightweight concrete mix, and it's going to disperse this fiberglass throughout the mix, and it's going to create a network that will help to hold it together in the event it were to crack, and that gives it much more tensile strength. So adding fibers to a lightweight concrete mix kind of works in the same way that adding steel to concrete works. Lightweight concrete is still going to crack or can crack, and that's going to be the biggest concern you have. Usually it's ornamental concrete. That's normally what you use lightweight concrete for, is for an ornamental application. But you don't want to make something like a planter pot for your garden and then just have it break, because it's not very strong overall. Here's an example of 8:1 perlite to cement. So this represents a pretty weak mix overall. I prefer to stay in the 4 or 5:1 range because I find it's more usefully strong like that. 8:1 represents something that's pretty thin, pretty weak, and I have this piece just to show you. I'm going to show you how easily this 8:1 mixture cracks, and this is fully cured. It's a few months old now, so it's nice and strong, or as strong as it's going to get. And watch how easily this cracks. It really doesn't take much at all. A strong piece of toast would probably put up more resistance than that did. And so that is a concern. Cracking is a major concern when you're dealing with lightweight concrete. You resolve the problem by making your piece thicker, which will make it stronger, and then potentially looking at adding fibers as an admixture.